Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs using just one simple command. If your computer does not meet the minimum requirements like TPM 2.0 or has an older CPU, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Open your Google Chrome and search for Windows 11 ISO. Click on the official Microsoft website from the search results. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the section called Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Click on the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click on Download. Now select your product language and click on Confirm. After that, click on the 64-bit download button. Now the ISO file will start downloading. Keep in mind, the file size is around 5 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the ISO file, right-click on it, and click on Mount. This will create a virtual drive on your system. If it doesn't open automatically, go to File Explorer and open this PC. Here you will see a new drive created from the ISO file. Now pay attention to the drive letter of this new drive, like D, E, or F. We will need this in the next step. Now click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now inside Command Prompt, type the drive letter of your mounted ISO followed by a colon. For example, if your drive letter is E, then type E and press Enter. Now comes the important part. Type the following command carefully. setup.exe/product server/compat ignore warning/migrate drivers all. Make sure you type it correctly, then press Enter. Now the Windows Setup window will open. Don't worry if it shows Windows Server, it is just a workaround to bypass hardware checks. It will still install Windows 11 on your system. Click on Next to continue. Accept the terms and conditions. Now it will ask what you want to keep. Select Keep Personal Files, Settings, and Apps so that your data remains safe. If this option is not available, make sure your ISO language matches your current Windows language. You can check this in Settings under Time and Language and then Language and Region. Once everything is set, click on Next. Finally, click on Install. Now the installation process will begin. Your computer may restart multiple times during this process. Do not turn off your PC while the installation is running. This process can take around 20 minutes to 1 hour depending on your system performance. Once the installation is complete, your PC will boot into Windows 11. And that's it. You have successfully installed Windows 11 on an unsupported PC using just one command. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.